Hey guys, this is Mrs. Whitfield, and I want to teach you guys how to go from your teacher's classroom meetings to a breakout room. And a lot of times I'm going to be doing some breakout groups or rooms with you guys, so I'd like for you to know how to get to me. So if you say like you're in your meeting right now, just in your general meeting with your teacher. And if you go over here to your Teams icon with the little three people right there, this is my test class, so it might look a little bit different from what you have. But if you can see right here, it says General, and then it has a little camera right here. And that lets you know that you're in that meeting. So if you go, what you'll see probably the little breakout room. This one is called Mrs. Whitfield's group. Your teacher might name it something different. Usually for me, that's what it's going to be. It might have my name on there. If you go right here, you can see right here, like we could start a new conversation, we could chat like we normally do. But I believe if you're the first person in here, you can go up here to where it says meet, and it says meet now, and you're gonna click that. Oops, don't want my camera on right now. Um, and then you could, you can add a subject to it if you want to. So we could put, for me, I could do like reading group, and then you say meet now. So I'm in the breakout group. This would be the room that you could join with me. But you don't really want to hang up on your other group. So if you want to go back and forth between the group, like here's our group, and then right here would be your teacher's group. So you would press this little triangle, like this little play button, it says resume. You could go back to it right there. And then you're in the main class group. But then say you want to go back to Mrs. Whitfield's group or a breakout group, and you can go right back. And unless you want to hang up, that's where you would hang up, but you don't really want to. You'd like to go back and forth. You just keep going back and forth between the two meetings. I hope this helps, and I hope it made sense. Can't wait to see you guys. Bye.